Nemotron 3 Ultra is NVIDIA's new frontier model, and as you can see from these benchmarks, it goes head-to-head with massive models like Kimi K2-6 and GLM 5.1, while actually being smaller and faster. The best part? You can actually get access to its API completely free, so let me walk you through exactly how to do it. To find the Nemotron 3 Ultra model, hop over to Google and search for NVIDIA model. From the results, open the AI models link from developer.nvidia.com. Once the page loads, hit the Explore Models button to jump into the full catalog. In the catalog, look for the Nemotron 3 Ultra 550B model and click on it to open its dedicated page. We've located the Nemotron 3 Ultra model on the build page. Now let's generate the API key so we can access the model from our terminal and code editor. To generate your API key, open up the Nemotron 3 Ultra model page and take a quick look at the Playground tab, where you can test the model directly in the browser. Head back to the Build tab, since this is where we'll grab the actual API access. Switch over to the Shell tab to see the curl command we'll be using to call the model from the terminal. Hit the Generate API Key button to create your free key. A sign-in pop-up will appear, so go ahead and enter your email address and click Next to continue. Once you've signed in successfully, NVIDIA will redirect you back to the model page automatically. With your API key now generated, jump into the Shell tab and hit Copy to grab the full curl command, which already includes your key baked in. With the API key generated, we now have everything we need to make a request. Moving to step 3, let's test the API in the terminal to confirm the key works before integrating it into any tool. To test the API in the terminal, grab the shell snippet using the Copy button, then paste and run it in your terminal. You'll see the streaming response come through, confirming your free endpoint is live and ready to go. The API is working perfectly and streaming responses in the terminal. Let's move on to installing and launching OpenCode, a terminal-based AI coding agent that will connect to our Nemotron model. Now that the API is working, let's set it up with a coding agent so you can actually build something with it. We'll be using OpenCode for this. Head over to Google, search for OpenCode, and open the first result that takes you to opencode.ai. On the home page, grab the installation command so we can install it via the terminal. Paste that command into your terminal and hit Enter to install the OpenCode tool on your system. Once the installation wraps up, simply type OpenCode and run it to launch the API. OpenCode is now installed and ready to go. Next, let's connect NVIDIA as a provider so OpenCode can use the Nemotron model we set up earlier. Once OpenCode launches, you'll need to hook it up to a provider. Type a / to pull up the command list and go with the Connect command. From the Connect a Provider menu, search for NVIDIA and select it from the result. With NVIDIA connected as our provider, we're ready to fine-tune our setup. Let's move on to step 3, where we'll configure the model variant to make sure we're using Nemotron 3 Ultra for the best result. To configure the model, you'll need that API key again. Head back to the NVIDIA developer page and copy the key you generated earlier. Jump back into OpenCode, paste the API key into the prompt, and hit Enter to submit. You'll be asked to pick a variant for Nemotron 3 Ultra. Go with the Medium option, which offers a solid balance between speed and reasoning quality for our coding task. Our model variant is now configured and ready to go. Let's move to step 1, generating the bakery website, where we'll prompt the AI to build the entire site for us. To generate the bakery website, type out your prompt describing the AI as a professional website designer and ask it to build a bakery site inside a new folder. Once you submit, Nemotron gets to work, spinning up a fresh directory and writing out the complete HTML, CSS, and script for your site. The AI has finished generating all the files for our bakery website. Let's move on to reviewing the final website to see what the AI built for us. And just like that, the Sweet Crumb Bakery website is live. Take a moment to scroll through and see what Nemotron 3 Ultra built for us. A clean hero section, with item cards, an about section telling the bakery's story, and a working contact form. You can even click through the navigation links to jump between sections. Everything works exactly as you'd expect from a professional. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. And there's the finished bakery site, looking pretty good for a quick build. You now know how to use Nemotron 3 for free, from grabbing the API key to coding real projects with it. Have fun building your own stuff with it.